Alright guys, I got everything hooked up. What's up YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today is going to be a short video. I'm just going to give y'all a little update and show y'all what I got going on. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We are pretty much done with the Escalade, guys. If you want to see more of it, go back to the other videos. And actually, I got a playlist. So go to my playlist and you can watch them all in order. This is what I got going on tonight. I just got done shampooing the whole back area. We're getting ready to put this mat in there so it'll stay clean because of the kids. They mess up everything.
What they talking about? I don't know.
And then look, let me show y'all how I got it to dry so quick. Well, it's dark out here. I don't know if y'all can see. Can y'all see? Alright, let's focus in a little bit. But anyway, so I put the heater on it and then put a fan in front of it and got that boy to go ahead and dry up. I'll put a picture up here somewhere how it looked. And now y'all can see, I mean, it looks way better. So I'm gonna ride with it. Like I said, I gotta get this thing done. I'm trying to have it pulled out by Saturday. Today is Thursday night. So yeah, I'm gonna grab the speakers and I'll show y'all what we're gonna be running. Oh, I might have put it in the title, I'm not sure. But we're gonna be running two 12 DDs. That's enough because the kids riding this vehicle. That's plenty. And then a DD amp for now, because I don't feel like swapping everything out. And shout out to my homegirl. Those speakers, I sold those speakers and then she gave them back to me. So shout out to Lauren, you know what I'm saying? She already know what's up. Yeah, let me get the speakers back so we'll have some bang in here. But anyways, yeah, I'll turn y'all off. I'll turn y'all back on right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm the topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Okay, cool. We got our mat trimmed, as y'all can see. Got it tucked, looking pretty nice. Really, guys, this is just to keep it clean, guys. Y'all know how it is having kids, so I don't want to do all that again. Now, if I have to scrub, it'll be some little spots like this, but. And then I'm gonna run that ground wire somewhere else, so this is gonna be tucked in there too, like this side. So, but for now I'm gonna leave that ground wire right there. Got it tucked in here, looking real nice. So it ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna grab the speaker box. I gotta change out one connection on that, and then I'll grab the amp and we'll get going. Alright, I got it replaced. They had this screwed on the inside, broke like this. So I got it replaced. Now we're gonna get ready to hook up the amp. I'm not gonna show y'all me doing this, but this is an M1D DD amp. That's a bad amp. That's a bad amp, guys. If you know systems, you already know. I ain't gotta tell you. But I'm not gonna bore y'all with me hooking it up. I'm gonna get everything ran. We'll flip the speakers over. We'll get everything set up. Just for right now, guys, I'm gonna sit the amp right there because we're probably not gonna leave this amp in here on the cool. I think we're gonna put it in the El Camino to match the 410s, and we're gonna do a whole nother setup in here. But just to get this thing going and get it out of the garage, guys, we are trying to just go ahead and get it put together. Got the amp hooked up, guys. I gotta find some speaker wire. So we're gonna run our speaker wire, and then we should be good to go. I know the amp is upside down, but I didn't feel like cutting the hot and the ground and just to flip it that way, and we're not leaving this amp in here. So it should be good like that for now. So let me get everything hooked up. I'll turn y'all back on. Alright, speaker wires are done. So I'm gonna get everything situated, and I'm gonna zip tie these up too. I just didn't want to zip tie them up when I didn't know where they're gonna be placed at. But yeah, speaker wires done, everything's done. I just gotta hook up my RCA jacks. I got this amp preset, so we'll see how it sounds. Can't wait to hear it, guys. Alright guys, I got everything hooked up, but I'm having trouble with the RCA jacks, the communication, man. So yeah, we'll probably mess with it tomorrow. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Well, I'll add that into this video when y'all get to see it playing. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. Peace.